Hello, in this video I will be reviewing the Fiji Trend Indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us identify the trend in the market and also issues buy and sell signals when the trend changes. For example here, where we see the yellow color, it indicates a downward trend. And the blue color indicates an upward trend. These red downward arrows indicate a sell signal, and the green upward arrows indicate a buy.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Signal. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first guide in the settings is the moving average period, which is used for calculations within this indicator. This indicator utilizes a combination of two indicators, moving average and ATR, and by combining these two, it provides us with trends and signals. The first option is the moving average period. The second option is the moving average method, where we can choose from these four options, Tingi, Some, Tamano, with the default set to smooth. The third option, Simpineda, is the price on which the moving average is applied, with the default set to close price. The next option is the ATR indicator period, which is also used within this indicator. The next option, which is the most important parameter for this indicator, is the volatility factor. The higher we set this value, the smoother the line it gives us, and we experience fewer trend changes. For example, I set this value to 5. You can see that means that we have fewer trend changes. The next option is the offset factor. The offset factor is for the start of a trend. When we have the start of a trend and a new signal is issued, like at this point or this point, the higher the offset value, the greater the price change and the change in this indicator. The last option is for issuing alerts. When we have a new signal, if it's enabled, an alert will be issued. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. As you can see, the settings and inputs of the indicator are exactly the same as the MT5 version. In conclusion, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.